Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very quick and easy corned beef rice with sardines, mackerel and chicken. So to begin, you want to season and cook some chicken drumsticks and some mackerel fish. So for this very video, I already pre-cooked my chicken and mackerel. So the only thing I have to do now is oven roast this chicken and fish at 375 degrees for 35 minutes. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to set this aside and then we can begin. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Add some coconut oil into a pot and allow it to heat up. Add some chopped onions and let them saute for 1 minute. Okay, so just let the onions saute for a minute. You stir it a little bit, let it saute for a minute before adding anything else to it. So guys, at this point, if you're not subscribed and you're watching this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like it, leave a comment. It really helps this channel grow. Thank you so much guys. Next, add a combination of ginger and garlic paste. Add some seasoning. Give it a very good stir. So at this point, you want to go ahead and add 1 can of corned beef and stir very well. Add 1 can of sardines and gently stir everything together. You can add some crayfish powder. So this is optional, okay? So if you don't have crayfish, there's nothing to worry about, but I love crayfish, that's why I'm using it, okay? So add some crayfish powder and stir it very well. Then the only thing left to do is to come in with your already washed parboiled rice, okay? You give it a very good mix. Okay, so you can use jasmine rice, you can use basmati rice, but I like parboiled rice. Okay, so give it a very good mix, stir everything. So gently stir everything, fold everything in. So now you want to go in with some chicken stock, okay, just to add more flavors to it. Okay, so just in case, this chicken stock already has a little bit of pepper in it, so I know you guys didn't see me adding pepper, so don't worry, this chicken stock has pepper in it. But if you're not using chicken stock, you can add a little bit of pepper. Okay, give everything a good mix, just let it sit for like a minute. Okay, then you can go in with some more water. Okay, when adding water, make sure the water is at the same level as the rice, okay, for you to get a perfect cooked parboiled rice. You don't want the rice soggy, so always make sure the water is at the same level as the rice. Subsequently, if you need more water, if your rice is still tough, if you need more water, you can always add water, but at first just make sure the water is at the same level as the rice. Okay, so if you like spicy food, go in with 1 yellow habanero pepper. This is completely optional. Okay, cover the pot with some parchment papers and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check the rice, taste it, and add salt only if needed. Okay? Please note, when cooking with corned beef and sardines, don't add salt right away because they are already naturally salty. Always wait until the end to adjust. In this video, I didn't need any extra salt at all. The salt from the corned beef and sardines was more than enough for this pot of rice. And there you have it, guys. This delicious pot of corned beef rice with sardines, mackerel, and chicken is ready. And now, the only thing left to do is enjoy the fruits of your labor. Plate up that corned beef rice with some oven roasted chicken and mackerel. Sit back, relax, take a big bite, and send it home with an ice cold bottle of Coca-Cola. That's how it's done, guys. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. You keep this channel alive. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with someone who loves good food, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more tasty recipe coming your way. And now it's your turn. Drop a comment below, let's talk, and let's keep building this food loving community together.